portable and smart e-bike converter, which can quickly convert ordinary bicycles into e-bike, making cycling easier and more stable. PikaBoost is compact and simple, which can be easily carried in the backpack. Mounting is fast and simple. It can be completed in 30 seconds without dismantling the bike or using extra tools. PikaBoost has an all-in-one design, including friction wheel, battery compartment, and control circuit. Through a variety of built-in sensors, PikaBoost can detect the attitude of the bike in real time, distinguish the terrain, and dynamically adjust the motor output power to provide the most appropriate assistance to the rear wheel. Climbing uphill is always tiring and will lead to a significant increase in heart rate. With PikaBoost, cyclists can maintain a steady physical amount of energy as if they were riding on a flat road. The PikaBoost has 3 riding modes: cruise, roll, and exercise. In cruise mode, PikaBoost will automatically maintain your riding speed without the need of turning the throttle or gears. When the rider accelerates, PikaBoost can detect this acceleration change and correspondingly increase the electric power, keeping the bike at the new speed. In roll mode, PikaBoost will only assist you in climbing uphill rather than pedaling on flat terrain, which gives you a good balance between battery endurance and manpower saving. In exercise mode, PikaBoost doesn't provide any assistance, but adds extra resistance for exercise and self-charging. It will convert kinetic energy into electric power to help increase the battery's endurance. With the integrated USB port, you can charge other electronic device. Regenerative braking is supported when the bike is braking and decelerating. In case of accidental fall, PikaBoost can detect this change in real time and stop the motor immediately to ensure safety. The battery compartment contains 18 lithium batteries which can be replaced by users themselves. With IP66 waterproof feature, PikaBoost can handle sudden rainy weather outdoors.
E-bike is getting popular in recent years, but many people still prefer the fun of traditional bicycles. On certain occasions, such as long rides or hilly roads, it's also a good idea to add an electronic booster to your bike to save energy or increase distance. Users can easily switch back to the original bike style at any time to keep the fun of normal riding.
High-intensity and long-distance cycling exerts pressure on the knees. PikaBoost effectively enables cyclists to enjoy regular exercise with a steady and gentle force, while reducing pressure on the knees and maintaining an effective aerobic workout.
En el mercado existen muchos tipos de kit de empuje eléctrico. Algunos son muy caros, otros son de difícil instalación, otros tienen pocas funcionalidades. Desde LIVALL hemos diseñado y hemos desarrollado PikaBoost, que es un equilibrio entre el coste, las funcionalidades, sobre todo portable y sin alterar la estructura del bicicleta.
At LIVALL, we are committed to harnessing the power of technology to enable cyclists to enjoy a better and safer cycling experience.
We are confident that our products will make cycling safer and more enjoyable. So I invite all you to join LIVALL and redefine your safety with LIVALL. All the best.
We hope our products can bring stronger travel assistance to cyclists. Welcome to join us.
I've been loyal to my buddy for years. We've been through so much together, facing the wind and conquering steep hills. Now he's eyeing those fancy e-bikes. They're sleek, powerful, and they can zip around effortlessly. But what about our memories? Am I just going to be replaced? No way! Replacement? It can't be! Oh no! Don't leave me alone! Whoa! What's happening? 36-volt lithium-ion battery? That tickles! Hey, look at me! I'm electrifying! new spark, a new zest for life. I may not be the same, but I'm still me with extra. Wow, this feeling is extraordinary. The 250-watt geared hub motor is propelling me with a power I've never felt before. No drag, just pure acceleration. Check out my power pack. That pack sends power to the motor and controls everything. Fancy. Small yet robust, it charges in only 4 hours. And guess what? It fuels our adventure for a whopping 50 kilometers, turning every journey into a thrilling ride on the open road. It's so easy to attach, and it fits almost anywhere on me. Handlebars, seat posts, down tube. Look at my new wheel. High torque. Ready to cruise with the power pack on or off. My buddy and I are not just getting from A to B, we're flying. Hills? What hills? I've got enough pulling power to take on even a 30% incline with light pedaling. The Swap and Go kit has changed my life. I'm not just an ordinary bike anymore. I'm an adventure waiting to happen. And it's not just me. Look at these other bikes. Now the mountain bike can reach new heights. The folding bikes can carry shopping with ease. All thanks to Swap and Go's 13 wheel sizes, fitting almost every bike. We're a family now, united by change. Swap and Go. Embrace the power of change.
Well, isn't evolution an interesting thing? From floppy disks, to compact ones, to pen drives, and then clouds. Us, from apes, and apes, from God knows where. But what I'm really thrilled about is this, the cycle. But this is an electric cycle. It wasn't till yesterday. But today, it is. In fact, it never was. I made it myself. DIY. Well, the installation's DIY. What makes it electric is this. And it has the perfect name, EasyKit. This is how it works. Swap the front wheel of your cycle with the integrated motor wheel. Install the front assembly. Attach the pedal assist sensor. Mount the battery box on the front assembly. And you are good to go. It's a beautiful day. Hop on. First up, we have what is called the pedal assist mode, where the sensor calculates the effort I put in and sends that information to the controller, which gives me the extra boost of energy that I require.
Slope ahead!
No problem. In fact, the EasyKit has 5 different levels of pedal assist. Think of it as a gym cycle where you can control the amount of effort you want to put in. So it's also great for the lovely belly fat you want to work on. Ride it easy with pedal assist or ride it like a moped on throttle mode. The choice is yours. Your office is 10 kilometers away from where you live? No problem. The EasyKit just cost you 10 paisa for a kilometer. What about your petrol vehicle? This beast can go up to 25 kilometers on a single charge, so you can catch up on that date that is another 5 kilometers with no second thoughts. Hey babe. We can make it back home without paddling if the date isn't warming up. If you know what I mean. P.S. 1 hour of charging is equal to 70% battery. This is not an electric cycle. Now it is. Now it's not. Now it is. And now it's not. I can do this all day long. The EasyKit. Now any cycle can be an e-cycle.